Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Lola. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out this headband wig for the very first time. I've actually seen these all around the internet and I've been so excited to finally try one, and this is one I'll be trying out today. It's a gorgeous kinky straight headband wig from My Culture My Hair. All the details will be in the description box. Now this is what the wig construction looks like. It has like a velcro strap at the back as well as 3 combs on the front, and this velcro strap, I really like it because it's very elastic as well. So I went ahead and put my hair under a wig cap and I'm just brushing out the hair. You can see how gorgeous the texture is. I absolutely loved it and it barely tangled, you guys. So now I'm just going to be putting the wig on my head and I'm just going to make sure that it's properly on, and I'm going to go ahead and secure the velcro straps at the back. But before I do that, you want to be really careful with the velcro straps because they can snag on the hair. So I just decided to put my hair up into like a messy bun so that it wouldn't like get into the velcro or just like mess anything up. So I'm just taking a hairband and I'm just going to put my hair up into like a messy bun. It doesn't have to be neat at all, just something to get the hair out of the way so that you can easily secure the velcro straps at the back. So now I'm just going ahead to secure the velcro straps at the back. I also love that this is kind of adjustable, so depending on how big or small your head is, you can make it tighter or looser, and I feel like that's really great. So now that it's secure, you can see how it looks at the back. It looks really nice, and you can easily just pull this hair into a high bun or a high puff. So now I'm just going ahead to style the hair, and I'm just pulling that headband that came with the wig backwards a bit, just so some of my hair shows in the front. I felt like this just made it look a lot more natural. It looks like I just put a headband over my own natural hair that was blown out or like straightened. And as you can see, I'm just going to be brushing it out again. I was very impressed by this hair, you guys. It actually did not tangle much. It shed a bit, but like hair always sheds, so I didn't really mind that. But like when it comes to tangling, I was really surprised that I wasn't tangling at all. I was able to like properly brush through the hair, and I think it looked gorgeous with just the black headband like this. But the company also sent me some of these headbands. They're Ankara inspired headbands, so I decided to put this one on because I felt like it matched my outfit the most, and that's really what the hair looks like. It's so gorgeous, it's so quick, you can just throw it on and go. These headbands are also like quite adjustable, so I decided to just spread them out and make it a bit wider, just to give it a different style or a different look. And you guys can see what that looks like right here. I'm just adjusting it until it looks okay. Really, there's nothing much to this. You can also switch this headband and pull it to the back and use it to put the hair into like a high puff or a high bun, and then this will just cover up your tracks at the back. But yeah, this hair is really gorgeous, you guys. It's very versatile. I really enjoyed wearing it, and I can't wait to wear so many other styles with it. Like I can't wait to curl it, braid it out, do a twist out or something. But now this is the last style I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm just pulling it up into like a high ponytail. Nothing serious. Like I said, because of the way the headband is at the back, you can easily just pull this hair up, and because of the way the wig is constructed as well, you can easily just brush it up into a high ponytail and it will just look really nice. You don't need to leave out any of your hair. You don't need to use any gel, any glue, anything. You don't need got2b. You don't need none of that for this. Like it's literally a throw on and go wig. Like you can be out of the house in 5 minutes, and that's why I love it so much. So I definitely think the headband wigs are a great like comeback. It's more like a half wig if you ask me, just with the headband at the front, but I really think it's a great comeback. And here I'm just wearing my hair as a side part. If I had slicked my hair down to the side and just let the part show in front, that would have been a great look as well. So play around with this wig, you guys. You can do so much with it. You can put your hair in the middle part and let the part show, and then just wear the wig at the back, and that would look really cute as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Really short and really straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.